Hi guys, welcome to another episode, and today we're reviewing the Ford Focus 1.5 Active. So now we're going to cover the transfer inside. This is how it look. There is quite a biggish gap, but that should be alright, I think. Okay, so we're in, and it wasn't that bad actually.
So inside the boot of the Focus Active, it's actually quite a decent sized boot for the size of the vehicle. Over here you have some compartments for a first aid kit and another compartment there. The wheelchair fits in pretty decently. You can still leave the parcel shelf in if you take the wheelchair apart. You have some room left here then, and underneath the wheelchair, as always. It's a pretty decent size. Like I said, there's no false floor or anything. That's just the compartment for the spare wheel or the air compressor. But other than that, I think it's a pretty decent boot.
Okay, so we're inside, and first thing we look at is the transfer in. As you can tell, because this isn't your standard height car, it's a little bit higher because it's a crossover. Now, this was slightly more difficult to get in, simply because the floor, well, where the door sill comes in, you then got a drop floor, which was a bit difficult for me to put my foot in and transfer. So I had to kind of rest my foot on the door sill, but we're in. The seats are nice and firm, so that's comfortable for me. They are cloth seats. Now again, these sides, they look hard, but they're actually not. Look, they are quite soft, so that doesn't prevent you or cause any harm when you're getting in. Overall, so far, I'm absolutely in love with this car. It's got a great side screen, which has got DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. It's got a number of different features within it, such as it's got the sat nav option. It's got quite a few different things in there. Then we're going to come down to here. Now this is the bit I like, is you've got the little dials here which control everything in the screen. Then you've got your dual climate control. Then this bit I like. This is the gear knob. This is the gear selector. So now I keep going to put my hand on it when I'm driving. Now, like I said in the video earlier on, it's very responsive gearbox. It changes quickly. It doesn't lag at all. It's great. It does have the option as well to change manually. So you'll click the button in the middle which has got M on it, and then you've got paddle shift, which again, they are very responsive. You've got different driving modes here. So you've got your snow, your off-road, your general driving mode and sport, and eco. You can turn your traction control off. This does have parking assist. It's got your electronic handbrake, and it's got parking sensors. Overall, inside is great. Okay, so this is the new Ford Focus. So we're driving along. I've got to be honest, I'm very surprised. I don't usually like the Ford automatic gearboxes. Certainly because, I don't know, they always sound like a traditional automatic and they don't sound very nice either when you're outside. But this is the brand new automatic box and I love it already. It's very responsive, quick gear changes, and it doesn't sound like your old school automatics. It does sound just like a normal car. Miles per gallon, we are averaging between 50 and 60, probably because this is the 1.5 diesel. But again, it does have a lot of power behind it. You know, it's not a racing car by all means, but it does have the power there should you need to have it. And the drive is so smooth and it's very comfortable. So now it's time for the ratings. So the first one we'll cover is accessibility. We're going to score that a 3, certainly because it is slightly higher, but once you're in, it's great. Comfort, we're going to score that a 4 because it is very comfortable. Practicality, we're going to score that a 4 also because, as you can see, the wheelchair does fit into the boot with the parcel shelf. And performance, we're going to score that a 4 again, simply because even though it is only the 1.5 diesel, there is quite a lot of power there. So that's the end of this video. Hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.